admitting that he had committed a serious breach of trust. A child should always be able to rely on the strength of their father. You are their safe space. In that safe space, that was their home. He sought to abuse these two young girls. Justice Cheryl Grant Thompson said as she imposed the sentence on the man.
Brownie just ate a small amount and she has wandered off. Mr. Cock is calling her. Let's see if he will continue eating.
16-year-old daughter breaking down in tears as she recalled how she saw her naked father.
The other cocks have not yet left home. They are crowing from in the trees.
And was not released on bail.
Okay, she